What you doing, honey?
No, just one. It's just asking for one of the girls.
You
So now how many
gonna talk?
One.
Say mama, mama, mama.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so 4 minus 1 equals. No, just count them, Eliana. How did you count? No, Eliana, you didn't count 2. Where did you count? Help me get it.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Ah, boo.
Count the boats together.
1, 2.
Yeah? What are you gonna do next? After you do that, what are you gonna do? Okay, this is a little boring. Come on, you can work with me, little girl. Alrighty, bye-bye.
It's not cut.
Bye-bye.